In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free Notion templates. If you want a faster way to build work dashboards, personal planners, or just a clean space to organize your life, the best place to start is right inside Notion's own template gallery. It's the premier source for thousands of free templates, created both by the Notion team and by the community, covering everything from project management and goal tracking to class notes and habit logs. To access it, open your Notion workspace and look to the sidebar. There, you'll see the Templates button. Click it, and the gallery opens directly within the app, so you don't have to leave your workspace or install anything extra. This built-in gallery is designed to help you find what you need quickly, with clear categories and a powerful search bar so you can zero in on the exact type of page you are looking for. Start by browsing categories if you are exploring ideas, or use the search bar if you already know what you want. Try keywords like OKRs, CRM, meeting notes, or study planner. Each template card shows a title and a brief description. When one catches your eye, select it to open a full preview. The preview lets you scroll through the layout and content before you commit, so you can see how the database views, sections, and properties are structured. Take a moment in the preview to check if it aligns with your workflow. Look at how tasks are grouped, what properties are included in databases, and whether the sections match the way you like to think and work. If it looks right, add it to your workspace with a click. Notion instantly creates your own copy, which appears in your sidebar. You are not editing the original, this is your personal version, ready to customize. A few quick tips to make the most of what you find. Sample several previews to compare styles. And don't worry about perfection on the first try. It's normal to try a few templates before one fits. After adding, rename the page so it's easy to find later, and tweak properties, views, and headings to match your terminology. Official templates are curated for reliability and best practices, while community templates often showcase creative, real-world workflows. Both are free, and both can be excellent starting points. That's all there is to it. Open the gallery from the Templates button, browse or search by category. Preview to make sure it fits, and then add the template to your workspace to start using it immediately. Thanks for watching.